In this question, then consider the following relation. We have a one student table and another one is performance table. Student having roll number and student name, and performance table having roll number, course and marks. And what is the query? Consider the following SQL query. Select student name sum p dot marks from student as performance p, where s dot roll number equal to p dot roll number, and group by student name, my dear. Group by student name. And what is asking? What is the number of tuple that written by the above SQL query is? So first of all, what we have to do? We have to apply the cross product. अपन को क्या करना होगा? Cross product, and applying the condition roll number is matching, then we do the group by. Okay. So here, because you know the what is the clause, first from clause will be execute, then where, then group by. तो सबसे पहले अपन क्या करेंगे? दोनों टेबल का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट करेंगे. So here student table having 3 tuple, it having 3 and 3 6, 18 tuple you will get. One directly you can do one short trick. One is match with these two. So what we write? One Raj. Here you can write one Raj. Yeah, first of all write down the attribute name, roll number, student name, roll number, student name, and this is what? S. And what is the second? P, performance, P dot roll number, P dot course, P dot marks, my dear. P dot marks. So one Raj, here match with 1 and 1. Math, English, my dear, 80 and 70. About the one Raj. Only this tuple is matching. We know total we are getting 2 to 6 into 3, 18 tuple. But no need to do 18 tuple directly which is matching, because we find equal condition s dot roll number equal to p dot roll number. So whatever is matching, I am only taking this one. Now second Rohit, my dear, second Rohit. So you can write second Rohit. Here it will also matching with two tuples. Rohit, math 75 and physics 65. Math 75 and physics 65. Math 75 and physics 65. And 3 Raj. Next one is 3 Raj. 3 Raj. So here it is matching with 3 English 80 and math 80. English 80 and math 80. This is the one table which you are getting and applying the condition, my dear. Okay, applying the condition. Now please, here no need to do the cross product. Already अपन ने ये जो condition थी वो इस पे apply कर दी है. S dot S roll number equal to P dot roll number. Now क्या करना है अपन को? Group by student name and sum of P marks. Okay, so here what I am doing, you can see, my dear student, you can see here क्या हो रहा है इधर? There are two names. First one is Raj and next one is Rohit only. Raj and Rohit. So here it having 150 and 160. So you will get 310, and here you are getting 140. When you do the grouping, you are getting only Raj and Rohit. You are getting two tuples, Raj and student name and sum dot P dot marks. Is the student name and P dot marks. Yeah, you can say sum of marks. So you are getting only two tuples. First one is Raj 310 and second one is Rohit 140. This is the output. Now what is asking? The number of rows that is written by the above SQL query is. So my dear student, 2 is the correct answer for this question. Hope so you get it. Thank you everyone.